Hello, welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you to find deal codes on McDonald's app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you to find deal codes on McDonald's app. We'll start by putting up a McDonald's app. Once you open up a McDonald's app, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Look on the bottom right hand corner where it says more. Make sure to tap on more. Then you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive here, look on where it says deal code. Make sure to tap on where it says deal code. Right there. Then you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. And that's your deal right there. And that's how you find deal codes on McDonald's app. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find them in my video description. And thank you for watching.